Hi guys. Hey, I'm spending my Christmas Eve getting organized. I have got a table that is just a mess. No other way to put it. And it's getting organized. It's getting cleaned up because there are some really cool things coming up on the channel here, thanks to Brian at Amazing RC. And huge thanks to the RC Elf. There's some cool stuff coming. So I want to get everything cleaned up and ready to go. I've got these magnetic deals that are just full of God knows what. That's the problem. I've tore apart Team Associated RC10s, so some of the stuff's metric, some of it's SAE, and it all needs to get organized and put into. I've got a organizer here for Team Associated RC10 stuff. Got another one for shocks and gears and RC10 stuff. And then this actually mostly is all oval track stuff, because I've got one here that is two-wheel drive slash for the Mud Boss. And then I've got a Bandit that I run as a street stock oval car. So that's all Bandit parts and nuts and bolts and stuff. So trying to go through and get all this stuff organized, because I'm tired of looking at it, for one. And it's nice because these all just fit into this little tray. This big deal here, this is all Traxxas 4x4 slash parts and stuff. So that's what it is. But then I picked this up at Harbor Freight, little container, and got a nice little deal in there. Got the Casio camber gauge, tow gauge, spare gears. A lot of it's RC10 stuff other than Traxxas gears. But like I said, this is all oval track. But yeah, that's how I'm spending my Christmas Eve day. I'm tired of looking at this and got all this cool stuff getting ready to happen. So it's time to get all these nuts and bolts figured out, what they are, metric, American, whatever, and get them all put in these little containers and put away so everything's nice and neat and ready to go, because I can't deal with it anymore. So, hey guys, I'm definitely wishing everyone out there a Merry Christmas, and hope you guys are doing well, and we will talk to you later. So I'll give you another video when everything's clean and ready to go. So thanks. Take care. Bye.